Hello everyone. So here we have, after the successful pre-launch of a comprehensive guide of Kerala High Court book, now we have the printed edition. Yes, students, thank you for the support. Thank you for the response on the pre-booking as well as the e-book of this particular book. Now we have made it into a proper physical book having more than 500 of pages. The dispatch for obviously all those students who have bought it have been started, and now we will be describing about what is the core content. So if we zoom in to the book, so it is the comprehensive guide for Kerala High Court Assistant. Now what it includes concepts with detailed approaches and examples, exercise based on latest pattern, basics to advanced level questions, 5 full length mocks, a total of 3500 questions with detailed solutions, and currently this book is in English medium. But the content we can guarantee you will love the content. You will love the table of content. We have covered all the topics, we have covered all the syllabus for this. The section A covers the basic mathematics and reasoning. Then in section 2 we have the practice sets for reasoning. Then in section B we have the general English, which is being divided into 3 parts: grammar, vocab and reading ability. Then we have the practice sets related to English. Then we have the section C, general knowledge, include physics, chemistry, bio and Kerala State GK with GK, static GK, economics, polity, history. And then we have the 5 full length mocks of the Kerala High Court Assistant. Okay, you can clearly see the quality of the papers. We can say this is one of the first book which we have got. This is the first book which we have printed. All the prints have been done. The dispatch have been started now. You can enroll this book. The link for this book, if you want to enroll for this book, is given in the comment section, even in the chat box, in the description box. You can use code KPSC to get maximum discount on this particular book. The price includes the delivery charges as well, so you don't have to pay anything extra. You can order it from adda247.com. Just go to adda247.com, click on books, click on Kerala, and this is just the beginning for the publications of adda247 publications in the state exams. So thank you. Keep supporting us. Do like and share the video. Thank you and all the best. This book is out now. Check the content and buy from the store. Thank you.